friends, wishing all of you a blessed Independence Day. Friends, I am fortunate to have been born in the post-independence era, and I am sure so are you. Friends, let us pledge today to do away with the fear of learning English. Let us pledge to start taking small steps to becoming confident in English. Step 1. Let's start with 5 new words daily. Step 2. Let us start making short sentences. Step 3. Let us become confident by greeting and meeting people. Step 4. Let us start taking over the leadership role, and let us start with the campaign of each one, teach one. Join us, join our community, PallaviAnand.in on Facebook, and email us for any queries and any fear that you may have as regards to learning English the creative way. Friends, we are here to help you out in the best possible way. Let us get independent from the fear of learning grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Let us do away with all our anxiety today. Let us pledge, let us work together, and let us kill that fear. The only mantra that will help you do this is do what you fear, and fear will disappear. Let us make India proud, and let us cross boundaries confidently. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.